And the Reliance Group chairman Anil Ambani appeared before the ED in the New Delhi for a second round of questioning in connection with an alleged bank fraud-linked money laundering case. The questioning lasted for close to 9 hours. In more trouble for Anil Ambani, the CBI has filed a fresh FIR against Anil Ambani and the Reliance Communication on complaint given by the Union Bank of India of a fraud worth 2,200 crore rupees. Central agency has conducted searches at residence of Anil Ambani and offices of Reliance Communication. Bhavtosh is joining us with the details.
Well, as far as ED as well as CBI is concerned, it's now nearly 7 hours since Anil Ambani joined the investigation at ED headquarters. But CBI has gone ahead and raided his premises in Mumbai. And the CBI has also registered a fresh FIR against Anil Ambani. This pertains to a complaint that was filed by Union Bank of India. And the total bank fraud case is worth 2,200 crore. CBI has also clarified that there was a stay that was put on given by the Bombay High Court, and after that stay was vacated, CBI has gone ahead and filed a fresh FIR against Anil Ambani and also Reliance Communication. Importantly, what has happened is that CBI a fortnight ago had filed a report which was in sealed cover, which was pursued by the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court had said that CBI should actively pursue cases against Anil Ambani, and they have also said that why there is only one FIR that has been filed by the CBI, and CBI after that had said that there are certain stay that has been put by the Bombay High Court. So far, there are 3 money laundering cases that has been filed by the Enforcement Directorate. They have attached assets worth 15,000 crore rupees. There is also a special investigation team that has been set up by the Enforcement Directorate, which is being headed by the Additional Director. Yesterday, as we all know, that his plush residence in Pali Hill was attached, which is worth 3,700 crore rupees. Anil Ambani arrived here at the ED headquarters at around 10:30. He did not speak to the press. He's being questioned by the officials of the HIU, which is the intelligence unit of the Enforcement Directorate, and one can expect him to be leaving the ED headquarters at around 8 p.m. But ED officials have said that it could be possible that they might be issuing him further summons, asking him to join the investigation. ED has also assured the Supreme Court that they will be submitting a report by March, and it could be possible that more summons would be following as far as Anil Ambani is concerned.
All right, thank you so much for getting us all those details. But time now to slip into a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back.